Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Monday Afternoon Weather Webcast for June 23rd, the first Monday of summer 2014. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. A very rocky weekend in the Wiregrass. Lots of thunderstorm activity, lots of severe weather. Had some damage reported, trees down, power lines down, all sorts of nasty weather this weekend. Today, we are expecting more showers and thunderstorms, and they're actually right on our doorstep. As we look at the radar view from the last hour or so, there you see all the thunderstorm activity moving in from the Gulf of Mexico today. Outflow boundaries from the earlier storms have produced the storms that we see now. So folks already in the Panhandle seeing a good amount of rainfall. Holmes County, Walton County, Washington County seeing some thunderstorms now. Most of Jackson County hasn't, but they'll get to see the thunderstorms here soon. And now folks in southern Covington County seeing the storms, and everybody else in southeast Alabama and southwest Georgia will see the storms for the rest of the afternoon, lingering probably until we get to dinner time. That's when the rain mostly, I think, will come to an end. And unlike this weekend, these storms are not severe. That's the good news there, but still lots of thunder and lightning, lots of heavy rain with these storms upcoming after some good rainfall amounts that we got this weekend. So there you see the extreme line, the line of thunderstorm activity right now. Most of the heavier weather is now entering the southern end of Holmes County, like we said, and in the southwest corner, I should say, of Jackson County, thunderstorm with some lightning there. But expect here, if you live in Dothan or Enterprise, Ozark, Geneva, some of the bigger towns in our viewing area, we'll see this rain most likely by at least 3 o'clock, if not a little bit sooner, and it'll last for about an hour or so. I think the thunder and lightning will last for probably 10 to 20 minutes, and then you'll just see rainfall after that. Temperatures now, of course, if you haven't seen any rain today, you're a lot cooler than everybody, or a lot warmer than everybody else. Cooler down closer to the coast, 73 Crestview, 73 Panama City, 76 in Destin, but 93 in Andalusia, 91 Donaldsonville, upper 80s for almost everybody else except for Troy. They're checking in at 90 degrees. So what's the deal with all the rainfall today? Well, surface boundary down in the Gulf of Mexico has caused all the shower and thunderstorm activity, and the yellow arrows represent the outflow and the sea breeze that is sparked up, and those two have combined to form the line of thunderstorms that we have right now. You can actually see pretty good interpretation. You can see the line of thunderstorms here basically catching up with the sea breeze that formed here, and it all pushes to the south and east. Now that's kind of a crude drawing there, but that's basically what you had, the two boundaries colliding to form the line of thunderstorms that we see right now. Across the other parts of the lower 48, had a big storm system move through the Midwest last night. A little bit of severe weather with that, but now starting to weaken as it moves through eastern Texas. Shower and thunderstorms ongoing in the deep south. What else is new? Lots of moisture, lots of heat, so you've got thunderstorms popping up. And the western half of the country, really, if you draw a line down the Mississippi River, actually, if you draw a line from western Minnesota all the way down to the western end of Louisiana, and everything west of that basically clear except for a little bit of moisture popping up in the Intermountain West. So the temperatures for today, I think we'll be done with the rain by 10 o'clock. Future temperatures tomorrow morning, we'll see low 70s, and by tomorrow afternoon, upper 80s and low 90s. Then the showers and thunderstorms will start popping up, and another active day on the way for Tuesday, as more deep layer moisture and more heat is expected. So here's your future cast. Thunderstorms popping up once again Tuesday afternoon, done by Tuesday night. Wednesday looks like we'll see a little bit calmer weather, with the moisture not being quite as great in the lower and mid levels of the atmosphere. So we could catch a little bit of a break in this very active pattern that we've had, but still decent rain chances for Wednesday. Not totally dry, but decent rain chances for Wednesday after more, I think, heavy rainfall and thunderstorm activity for Tuesday. Thanks for clicking on the Weather Webcast. You can get to it on any one of those social media platforms there below. You can also comment. Leave us a question, comment, or criticism, concern, whatever you got. Suggestion for the Afternoon Weather Webcast. This is more of a technical explanation of the weather that's going on right now and an early look at the forecast, not the 5-day. Stay tuned for News 4 at 5, 6, and 10, primetime news at 9, and also the WRGX News at 5:30 for that 5-day forecast. Everyone have a great Monday. We'll see you back here on Tuesday.